Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a natural disaster with Farmers Insurance easy tutorial step by step clearly. After a natural disaster, assess the damage to your property. Take photographs of all affected areas for documentation. Contact your local authorities if there are any immediate safety concerns. Reach out to Farmers Insurance via their customer service hotline or website. Provide them with your policy number and a brief description of the situation. Inquire about the claims process and gather necessary forms from them. Fill out the claim forms as accurately and thoroughly as possible. Attach the photographs you took earlier to support your claim. Submit your claim through the method advised by Farmers Insurance. Keep a copy of all documents for your records. Once your claim is submitted, wait for an adjuster to contact you. Prepare to discuss the damages and provide further evidence if requested. Follow up with your claims adjuster regularly for updates on your claim status. After the claim is processed, review the settlement offer carefully. If you have questions or disputes, communicate openly with the adjuster. Once you agree on a settlement, receive your funds to begin repairs. Consider using the payment for temporary housing if needed. Rebuild and recover with the support of local services and community resources. Keep your insurance policy updated for future protection. Stay informed about recovery resources available in your area. Make a long-term recovery plan to help you rebuild stronger. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.